What's up, guys? Welcome again to Orkisa Garage. Today I'm doing a trunk lip gate support for 2007 SCION TC because it's been old, it's been leaking. And then I'll include all the links of the parts and tools that you need. I get it from AutoZone. These are the part numbers. They're all the same from left and right. And then I think that is the only thing you need, just a flat screwdriver. Let's go. So this one has been shot because they are pressurized gas or oil, special oil. So this one is not working, as you can see. It's all leaking. So the thing that you need to is this one, the hood strut, the hood stand, or the trunk stand. So first, it's easy to replace it. I'll show you how it works. So here you can take this off. This is the ring, the lock ring. Pry it like that. Then take it off. So here, you just have to snap this one from here. Okay, snap, and then snap this one too. There you go. So now it's working. Now working on the other side. So same thing on the other side. It's all the same. Just two clips and then flat screw. To get that one, put the because this one is facing this one. This one I had to face this one, so I just have to rotate like that, facing that way. This one is facing this way, and then this one is facing that way. Play with it and snap. Park it. Then just have to snap. There you go. Now it should work. There you go. As you can see, the old one is all leaking from here, so that's why it cannot stand. So it's very easy. The only thing you need is this one, flat screw, and if you have like channel lock pliers like this, so you can turn this one, because if you get the original, it's already set up. If you get aftermarket from AutoZone, you have to turn this one, and it's very simple. Just these two tools are all you need, and it's fairly easy job. Just two clips right here, the lock and snap, and that's it. Alright, so I hope you like my video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.